Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear students. Welcome. Our lesson today to continue the domain of the real function. Lesson 5. The domain of operations on real functions. If we have f1 and f2 are two functions whose domains are d1 and d2 respectively. So, number 1, if f of a1 plus f2 of x or f1 plus f1 minus f2 of x equals f1x plus or minus f2x. The domain of this operation is d1 intersection d2. That means we have intersection between two domains, we get another domain, a new domain. And second operation is f1 times f2 equals f1x times f2x. The domain of the product of two functions f1 and f2 is d1 intersection d2. Also d1 intersection d2, but we have a positive or negative or plus or minus two function like the product of two functions. The domain of them is d1 intersection d2. Number 3, if f1 over f2x equals f1x over f2x, where f2x not equal to 0. f2x not equal to 0. Why? Because every element divided 0 has no meaning. The domain of division of two functions f1 and f2 is d1 intersection d2 minus zeros of f2, because f2 is down or in the denominator. Okay, let's see operations on function. Find the domain of each of the following function. F of x equals 2 plus root x. This function formed from two rules or two operations, 2 plus root x. الدومين بتاع 2 is r because this is constant function. الدومين بتاع root x is from 0 closed to infinity, because we get x greater than or equal 0, but domain equals 0 closed to infinity. The intersection between the two domains is r intersection 0 and infinity equals 0 to infinity. Tab number 2, f of x equals 5x power 2 plus root 2 minus x. Here we have two functions plus each other. We have 5x power 2 and we have root 2 minus x. By get domain of each one. 5x power 2 is polynomial function, so the domain of it is r. And root 2 minus x, to get this domain, we take 2 minus x greater than or equal 0. So negative x greater than or equal negative 2 divided by negative both sides, we get x smaller than or equal to. So then the domain of this function is from negative infinity to 2. So the domain of the 5x power 2 plus root 2 minus x is the intersection of these two domains. The intersection of these two domains. The intersection between them is from negative infinity to 2. From negative infinity to 2. Number 3. If f of x equals x plus 3 over root x minus 7. Here we have two functions. X plus 3 up and root x minus 7 down. Then we have two domains and we get the domain of this function after that. The domain of x plus 3 is R because it is polynomial function, and the domain of x minus 7 is, we take x minus 7 greater than or equal 0, then x greater than or equal 7. So the domain of this function is from 7 open to infinity because the root of x minus 7 is down. We have no equals. We have x minus 7 greater than only 0. So the domain of the function up is R and the domain of the function down is 7 to infinity. The domain of intersection of them is R intersection 7 at infinity except this 7 اللي هي بتعمل 0. This, the domain of this function is 7 open to infinity. Another example, number 4. F of x equals x plus 2 over x power 2 minus 1. We have here two functions over each other, x plus 2 up and x power 2 minus 1 down. If we get the domain of this function up is R because it is polynomial function, and the domain of x power 2 minus 1 is R because it is polynomial function also. But we have x power 2 minus 1 down. So we take x power 2 minus 1 equals 0. So x power 2 equals 1. So x equals positive or negative 1. Then the domain of this function is R minus, sorry, I see it x power 2, but it is x power 3 minus 1. So x power 3 minus 1 equals 0. So x power 3 equals 1, x equals 1. This domain is R intersection R except 1 equals R minus set 1. Another example, f of x equals root 5 plus x. Here we have sum of two functions, root 5 and x. Root 5 domain بتاعها equals R because it is constant function, and x is domain بتاعها equals R because it is polynomial function. So the domain of these two functions is R and R. So the domain of f of x is intersection between them equals R. Number 6. If f of x equals root 5 over x, root 5 the domain is R because it is constant, x the domain is R because it is polynomial. If we take x equals 0, so the domain of this function f of x is R minus 0 as you see. Number 7. If f of x equals root x plus 7 minus root 1 minus x, so we take x plus 4 greater than or equal 0, so x greater than or equal negative 4, so x from negative 4 closed to infinity open. And if we take 1 minus x greater than or equal 0 also, so negative x greater than or equal negative 1, so divide by negative both sides, we get x smaller than or equals 1. So the domain of this function is from negative infinity open to 1 closed. If we draw the number line of this function from negative 4 to 1, the intersection of these two functions is from negative 4 to 1 closed. Another example. If f of x equals root x plus 2 over x minus 2. Here we'll have two functions, up and down. The domain of the up-down function is x plus 2 greater than or equal 0. So x is greater than or equal negative 2. So x from negative 2 into infinity. And if we take x minus 2 down equals 0, we get x equals 2. If we draw number line, we get domain of the first from negative 2 to infinity, and the domain of the second is r. So the domain of the function all is negative infinity to r, to negative 2 to infinity, intersection r except 2. The intersection of two functions is negative 2 to infinity minus set 2. Number 9. If f of x equals cubic root x minus 2 over x, the first function cubic root x minus 2, the domain of this function is r, and domain of x is r. So the domain of intersection is r, except the zeros of this function x, lower 0. So we get domain up r, domain down r, therefore domain of f of x is r minus 0, as you see. Another example. If f1 it means from r to r, so the domain of this function is r, and the rule of this function f1 equals 3x minus 1. And f2 from negative 2 to 3 to r, then the domain of this function from negative 2 to 3, and the rule of this function is 2x plus 4. Find f1 plus f2 and f1 minus f2 and deduce the domain of each function. First, f1 plus f2 is the rule 3x minus 1 plus 2x plus 4. Add to the like terms 3x plus 2x, we get 5x, and the negative 1 plus 4 we get 3. Then f1 plus f2 equals 5x plus 3. Okay, let's get the domain of this function. The domain of the first rule is r, and the domain of the second rule is negative 2 to 3. Then the domain of the f1 plus f2 is intersection between fr d1 and d2 equals negative 2 to 3 closed. Okay, let's do f1 minus f2. Exactly. f1 minus f2 is the rule first rule minus second rule. By 3x minus 1 minus 2x plus 4. 3x minus 2x equals x. and negative 1 minus 4 equals negative 5. So f1 minus f2 equals x minus 5. Let's do domain of f1 minus f2. Exactly. Domain of f1 minus f2 equals d1 intersection d2. As you see, intersection between d1 and d2 equals r intersection negative 2, 3. It equals negative 2, 3 also.